Hello students, I'm here to just give you some tips about how to convert any equation based on their degree. If you have got any question like that, like based on their degree, how can you say or how can you rearrange it or how can you simplify it to the standard form? This video is regarding how can we convert any type of expression into standard form. Let me share this with you. Three x square minus 9x equals to 30. In order to say whether it is a quadratic equation or not, or in order to create a graph for this, what we have to do is we have to convert into standard form. This is the usually a general form of a quadratic equation, but let's know what is the standard form. See, if we have arranged the powers of the variables, these are the powers, these are the variable powers, right? Here it will be x power 0 in the descending order. We call it as standard. So keep this in mind. Not only this, for even a cubic polynomial, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, so we have to deal with this coefficient perfectly. See, there are chances we might not getting the question in a standard form. So what we have to do in this case, first let's do transpose method. So send this 30 from RHS side to LHS side. It will become 3x square minus 9x. If you send 30 from that side to this side, it will become plus 30 will become minus 30. Because you made it empty, it will become 0. Perfect. Finish. And you can draw the graph for this. And the second tip is, after converting, check whether you can reduce this to lowest form. We know that. See, if you got 8 by 16 in your childhood, if we ask you to reduce this to simplest form, what you will do? You will simply cancel, or you will simply remove the common factors. 8 ones are, 8 twos are. This is the simplest form of 8 by 16, and actually this is the equivalent form, and this is the lowest form. In the same way, for the equations or for the expressions also, there will be the simplest form. What you have to do is, since it is equals to 0 here, simply check if there is any common factor. We have checked the common factor here, right? In the same way, check if there is any common factor. Yes, 3 is the common factor. Remove the 3, it will become minus 10. And you know the reason, right? Equals to 0. Send this 3 from LHS to RHS. So 0 by 3, it will become 0 again. So what is the final quadratic equation? X square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. So if you draw a graph for this, what happens? You will get some bigger values. If you give x values, you will get the value of the polynomial y values little big, because we have used the bigger numbers. In this case, because the coefficients are very small, there are chances you getting small values, and the graph will be very easy. And here my intention is not only to talk about this type of sum. The second type of sum which came to my thought is, see, if the question is like this, 3 by 2x square minus 5 is equals to minus 7 by 4x. Then you start getting tension again. So please don't do that. Same. Please follow what I am saying. Again, our first aim is converting this into standard form. Let's do that. First, transpose minus 7 by 4 into x from RHS to LHS. It will become 3 by 2 x square plus 7 by 4x minus 5. Okay, completed. This is our first task in any equation. First of all, we have to rearrange to one side. And the second thing is, since it is a fraction, the denominator always irritates us. So try to reduce into a whole number. In the equation, it's very simple. So how can we add or how can we change here? Simply take the LCM of 2 and 4. We know the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So convert the denominators into 4. So in order to convert to 4, what I have to do? Into 2, into 2. Here it is already 4. In order to convert this into 4 denominator, into 4, into 4. Why I am doing like this? If I cancel 2, 2, again I will get 3 by 4. What's happening here is, we are not disturbing the character of the number. We are not disturbing the property of the number. Unless we disturb the property of the number, what we are doing is right. Okay, actually we are taking the help of 1, because every number is always multiplied with 1. If a number is multiplied with 1, the output is A, and this operation is not disturbing the character of A. This is what we are taking the help of. I think you all are well familiar about this concept. So next, 3 into 2, 6 by 4x square plus 7 by 4x minus 20 by 4 equals to 0. Since all are like terms, what can we do? Numerators will be added. 7x minus 20 by 4 equals to 0. Send 4 to that side, it will become 0 into 4, 0. So what is the final output? 6x square plus 7x minus 2. But how it looks originally, previously, this one. So what will you conclude by this? This 3 by 2 x square minus 5 equals to minus 7 by 4x is same as this equation. So whatever result we get from this equation, we will get same result from this equation also. Okay, it is same as understanding about the equivalent fractions. Just now I have explained about equivalent fractions. Okay, and the third type of quadratic equation which I would like to simplify is, or convert to standard form, is 2x plus 3 into x minus 4. What we have to do first is try to distribute 2 to the second expression. 2 into x, 2x. Write the symbol plus 2 into 3, 6. Now again try to distribute this expression to this expression by each term. So 2x into x minus 4 plus this one, 6 into x minus 4. Now what is 2x into x? 2x square. 2x into minus 4, minus 8x. Plus 6 into x plus 6x plus 6 into minus 4, minus 24. as it is the equation, please mention 0 here equals to 0. So try to simplify this. What is the simplified form? There shouldn't be any like terms. What do you mean by like terms? Like terms are nothing but having the same variable with the same powers. So these are the like terms here, these two. So 2x square minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. And we have converted to standard form because the powers are in the descending order of the variables. Right? Now what is one more thing? I have observed that there are common factors 2, 2, and this can be written as 2 into 12. So if I remove the common factor, it can be written as 2x square. 2 into x square minus x minus 12 equals to 0. Send 2 from here to here, it will divide 0 by 2. Again it is 0. And the final answer is x square minus x plus 12 equal to 0. This is also same as 2 into x plus 3 into x minus 4. Both are equal equations. Both are equal. Okay. And the final example which I would like to give you is coefficients are in decimal form. See 2.3 x plus 4.5 x minus 5 equals to 0. Again. No need to bother. No need to bother here. So convert this decimal form to fraction. Am I right? Now, you know what you have to do from here. Take the LCM of 10 and 10 as the second example. So LCM is 10. So here 1 will be into 10 into 10 in order to make the like fractions, because we can only add or subtract like fractions. Plus 45 by 10x minus 50 by 10 equals to 0. Now you know what to do. The denominator will become 10. It is 223x plus 45x minus 50 equal to 0. Send this 10 to that side and the final answer is 23x plus 45x minus 50. And this equation is same as this equation. See the difference? How good it is. So never ever feel difficult about converting an equation to a standard form. Here I took the help of quadratic equations, and this is applicable for all the equations. Every time try to convert them into standard form. After that, see or check if there are any common factors, remove them, and made it as simple as possible and draw the graph. Thank you.